Okay guys, welcome back to another episode of Bryan's Thailand. We're here back in Khon on my friend's build. We're doing a ceremony today before the first steel, the pad in the pile goes in. So we got to do like a blessing. It's just like how we do a topping off in the UK, you know, when you put the roof on as you're building. This is where it's from the ground up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask Pi what it is in Thai, because I've tried to pronounce it a few times and I cannot do it. Okay Pi, what's it called?
Yok Sao Ek Sao To.
Like yok means, okay David. Now David is my translator. Pi doesn't know what it is in construction terms, but here's David. Right.
Peace.
Right, David.
Essentially, it's the very first columns that will be the start of the construction, and the first columns that will be constructed, and they call it Sao Ek Sao To. Egg and To basically is like A and B, but it's the meaning in Thai is very it's a very deep meaning, very meaningful, and they've got to start this. They have a sort of the ceremony to bless the land, to bless the first columns that are going to be constructed here at this land.
Okay, thank you David. So let me give you a quick show around, because they're just preparing the box sections for the columns. As you can see here, they've tied things on to bless, so we're putting 2 columns on here, and then we've got another build just going up on there. So while we're preparing, then because they've asked me to put the first column in, and yeah, so tomorrow as everyone knows, this is Lung, Mr. Lung, as you remember him from Udon. So now he's starting this one, because the other one's pretty much well on its way now, so he's come to start this one. So he's running between the two projects. Sorry about the noise, the girls talk too loud. Sanuk mai?
Sanuk.
Alright. So yeah, tomorrow they'll be coming in to pour all the pads. And you can see the steels and the baskets are laid in with 5 centimeter gap going around. Obviously some a little bit more. I'm okay if it's a little bit more. So it's on a concrete pad down. Right. So there have to be 5 centimeters, minimum of 5 centimeters around of the steel. So this one's ready to be poured tomorrow. So now I've got to do it for the ceremony, because my friend's in the UK and his wife, so we've got to do a live feed for them to watch the ceremony, because we have her mum and dad here. That's them sitting down there. And this is how it goes on. There's actually 2 here, there's 1 here and 1 there, so they're busy chasing out on that one. So there's a cage here and a cage there, and they'll fill that up with dirt. So everything should be ready for preparing tomorrow. Okay, and here we go. Okay.
เฮ้ยโหดิโหง่ายออกออกเดี๋ยวปิดลายด้านข้างอย่าตั้งตีนอยู่ขวางเนื้อมันเขาตีนได้ไม่ได้เลยอันใดกลางเลยกลางเห็นว่าเลี้ยงอยู่กลางละแล้วจะเล่นพุ่นนี้จะเล่นเหนียว หมดละปวดมาก่อนเอาดึงขึ้นทั้งบางลานี้ยังไงนะดึงทั้งอย่างนี้นะกินเอายกขึ้นเลยยกขึ้นแล้วมันตั้งมันตั้งเด็กเนี่ยตั้งละกักอ่ะเย็กโอเคเหรอเอาไป
Okay, next one.
เอาเลยมา
Finish, show me.
โอเคก็
แรงมานี่มั่งเรียบโพด
การโอ้เที่ยวเลยมีอะไรจะฟัง
Mon như này, mon show me. นี่เจ็บตัวไหม
มาแล้วรวด
มาไงครับ
โอเค
สวัสดีครับ
โอ
วันนี้เสาเอกเสาโตครับบอสใหญ่มาจากการครับขอบคุณครับ
เค this is the
บอสดูดอนดูคำนี้
yeah. สุดยอด yeah so here we go
เลี้ยงค่ายกันขึ้นมาดิ
ให้ลงเบาเขาเอาข้างล่างก่อน